Hello students, this is class third. Class class third. Subject GSC and date is 27 4 2021. We are studying lesson 7, housing and clothing. Lesson 7, housing and clothing. So you have to see page number 39. So last time we studied about the qualities of good house, in which I have told you the essential qualities as fresh air and enough light, second enough water, third proper drainage system, and fourth mesh doors and windows, next enough space and an attractive appearance. In the same way, I have also discussed about the cleanliness of the house, in which I told you there how cleanliness is important and how cleanliness in the house is maintained. And after that, we discussed about clean clothes. I told you about the importance of the clothes, how clothes protect us from sun, rain, dust, dirt, or insect bites, and also different type of the clothes we wear in different seasons and on different occasions, and also told about the different qualities of clothes. So now, what have you learned in this lesson? What have you learned? First, a house is a place where we live safely and comfortably. So, a house is a place where we live safely and comfortably. Next, a good house must have these qualities of house. A good house must have enough light for fresh air, enough water supply, proper drainage system, enough space, attractive appearance, and neat and clean surroundings. So these are the qualities of good house. Now, we must keep our house clean. Next, we wear clothes to protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, dirt, and insect bites. So, this is the importance of the clothes. We wear clothes to protect us from heat, cold, rain, How it protect from the rain? You know about the raincoat. Raincoat we wear. It protect us from the rain. Dust, dirt, and insect bites. Now next, we wear different clothes in different seasons. We wear different clothes in different seasons, and for good health, we must wear clean clothes. For good health, it is necessary to wear clean clothes. Now, more to know. Next one is the what you have to study. More to know. So, more to know. Compare the house of olden times with modern house. Modern houses are more durable, convenient, airy, safe, and beautiful. In olden days, um, houses, mainly houses were made up of the mud, mainly kacha house. Today we have pakka house. So today's house or the modern house is more attractive and more durable, more comfortable than houses of olden days. Houses are built according to the climate of a particular place. Houses are built according to the climate of a particular place. Now next, many animals are killed for their skin and fur to make coats or jackets. If we if we do not stop killing these animals, they will soon disappear from the earth. This is very important thing, or these are the very important lines. Many animals are killed for their skin and fur to make coats or jackets. If we do not stop killing these animals, they will soon disappear from the earth. Now, you know some animals are this which are not found on the earth. You know about the dodo, that is bird. It's extinct. So many animals are killed by human beings for different purposes, for the flesh, for the fur, for the bones, etc. etc. And if this happens continuously, they will soon disappear from the earth, and they will come in the category of the extinct animals. Now, word power. Drainage. What is drainage? A system of drains or pipes carrying off the waste water from house. So this is about the drainage system. So drainage, what is drainage system? A system of drains or pipes carrying off the waste water from the house. Now next, garbage. Rubbish or waste, especially domestic refuse and sewage, moisture exuded through the pores of the skin. So, thank you. That's for today. Next day we will try to solve the worksheet 7. Thank you.